Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on the car, which is actually hidden just behind the glove box. So it's nice and easy to do. We're just going to go outside the vehicle and come down to the side of the glove box, and you notice there's this strut there that can just come off the pin like that. Now it's going to be a little bit tricky to do this on camera, but you're going to squeeze the glove box in both sides just enough so you can actually remove those pins, and then you can pull the glove box off fully. Now looking behind the glove box, you'll actually see a bit of a valve there at the top, and then this bit here which is actually our pollen filter. So you've just got that tab on the bottom, it says the airflow is going down. We just pull that filter out, which looks like this. So blue on one side, grey on the other one. This one's a bit dirty but not too bad. Once you get your new one, or you've cleaned this and you're going to replace it, just going to put the new one back in, exactly the same orientation, push it all the way back in. Doesn't actually clip in, but it just pushes so it kind of locks in. Get your glove box, return it onto the hinges and bring it up, and then finally we're going to pull that strut back on and put the pin back on and close your glove box. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.